Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we will continue talking about the System Global Area SGA. So today is a part 2. Let's start. So what we will learn in this lecture, we will understand the large pool, Java pool, fixed SGA and streams pool, and also sizing SGA and PGA. I will try to make it very simple in this lecture. Now we will talk about the large pool. Actually, the large pool contains memory used by special Oracle features. When I say Oracle special features, it could be like, for example, shared server processes, and we talk about the shared server processes before. And also, for example, parallel query. If you can see this example, I make select, then I have parallel and for from EMP. Actually, we call this as optimizing hint. So here, Oracle will open 4 processes in order to execute this select statement. So the large pool will help in this. Okay, very nice. Another important task for the large pool, it contains memory for database backup and recovery operations, and also for input-output server processes. So take it very simple and just understand these points only. Now we have also Java pool, streams pool, and fixed SGA. Let's make it simple. The Java pool, parsing of Java code and scripts. So it is a memory for Java code. We have the streams pool, and it's a memory that provides stream processes. So what is the meaning of Oracle streams? You have to search about this topic because it's out of the scope of this course, but it's a very big subject. Just remember that streams pool provide memory for the Oracle stream processes. And also we have a small memory called fixed SGA, and it contains general information about the state of the database and the instance. So I just want you to remember this simple information. Okay, now we will talk about sizing SGA and PGA. First, let's understand sizing of the SGA. I told you before that the SGA is a system global area, contains many memories and many areas. We have 2 methods in order to size the SGA. First method called using automatic shared memory management, ASMM. It's very simple. I have 2 parameters. The first parameter called SGA underscore target, and I have SGA underscore max underscore size. The SGA underscore target, it is the actual memory in use by the current SGA. The SGA underscore max size, the largest amount of memory that will be available for the SGA in the instance. So anyway, the main parameter is this one, SGA target. So the database administrator put the value for this parameter. So after the DBA put the value for the SGA target, Oracle database automatically distributes this memory among the various SGA components. So when you put the size for the SGA target, Oracle will make sizes for all these components like the shared pool, the large pool, redo log buffer. Actually, the DBA can make alter system set SG underscore target, and he will put value, and we will talk about this later. I just want you to understand only the concept. Now another way, using manual shared memory management, and this need a very expert DBA. The fresh DBA, he need a lot of time to understand all these things. So most of the DBAs using the first method, which is the automatic. But in the manual, you must manually configure several SGA component size. So how we can do it manually? First thing, the DBA, he should set a parameter called memory underscore target to be 0. And also he will set another parameter called SGA underscore target to be 0. Then he will manually configure SGA component. So he will put size for the shared pool, size for the large pool, size for the read log buffer, and so on. So I think the first method is common use and more simple. Let's Oracle do all this job, right? Okay. Now let's talk about the PGA. Actually, also we have two methods using automatic PGA memory management, and this is very simple. I have only one parameter called PGA underscore aggregate underscore target. What is the meaning of this parameter? It is the total amount of PGA memory allocated across all database server processes and background processes. Remember that this is aggregated, not for every process, for all the database processes. Okay, very nice. And Oracle strongly recommends that you leave automatic PGA memory management enabled. So Oracle tell you, please don't try to do this manually, so just make it automatic. The other way, called using manual PGA memory management. Here you must manually configure several PGA component sizes, and it is not recommended. So automatic, it will be the best choice in the SGA and PGA. Okay, so just take it simple and no need to go deep, because we will understand this more and more later on. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next video.